Camping chairs are great for lounging around your campsite. Besides, whether you're planning to lounge on the beach, enjoy a concert, or around your campfire, sitting yourself down in the dirt or on a log is not a great option. What about a comfortable place to sit so that you can relax and enjoy your drink? Well, a camping chair can be your perfect companion. You can find tons of camping chair options available on the market. And to make your research a bit simpler, we have come up with a video about the 5 best camping chairs for outdoors depending on their weight support, materials, packability, reclining, and rocking. So let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
With spring action rocking technology, the GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker Mesh Chair delivers your comfort at a campground so that you can sit back and relax with a smooth rocking motion. It features a powder-coated steel frame that is durable and can support up to 250 pounds of weight pretty easily. It has canvas-type polyester fabric that is very comfortable and easily dries if it gets wet. Besides, its durable nylon mesh backrest allows continuous airflow and offers ventilation for cooling comfort. Its patented spring-action rocking technology, along with its spring-loaded shocks, allows you to rock this chair while lounging smoothly. It has a 19.7-inch seat height and a 34.8-inch overall height. It is not too big, but it's enough for you. With the patented Easy Fold technology, the GCI Freestyle Rocker Chair is effortless to set up and folds down quickly to transport it to and from the campsite without any problem. Finally, it weighs around 11.8 pounds and it has got a built-in carry handle for easy and convenient portability. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker is a travel-friendly camping rocking chair designed for the great outdoors. It's easy to transport and set up, and with a smooth rocking motion, you can kick back and relax anywhere. Enjoy your camping or meteor shower party to the fullest in the NEMO Stargaze Recliner luxury chair. It reclines like a hammock, and its supportive headrest ensures you will not get a creak in your neck as you lean back and swing. It features an aircraft-grade aluminum suspension frame that is stronger than most camp chairs out there. You can easily install it on uneven ground. In addition, it uses an auto-reclining feature so that you can find the perfect sitting posture only by leaning back and shifting your body weight. Its non-absorbent monofilament mesh is cool and breezy, providing you with a comfortable seating experience. Besides, this waterproof nylon fabric resists bacteria, withstands sun exposure, and does not retain water. It has padded armrest and an integrated no-spill cup holder that keep your beverages close at hand. In addition, you can keep your tablets, smartphones, keys, or your favorite books into its stash pocket. Finally, it comes with a padded carrying case and packs down quickly and comfortably, making it an amazingly portable camp chair for you. Watch the stars, toast up a marshmallow, enjoy the great outdoors, and do it all in the NEMO Stargaze Recliner luxury chair. This is an amazing camp chair for swinging and relaxing. Combining a cozy design with a convenient built-in cooler, Coleman portable camping quad chair will let you have your cold drink at your campsite, barbecue party, or picnic. It features a durable steel frame that can support up to 325 pounds of weight pretty easily. In addition, it has a fully cushioned seat and backrest with a 24-inch seat height, and its polyester fabric provides amazing comfort. Its cooler is built into the armrest and can hold up to 4 cans, providing easy access to your cold drink. Also, it features a mesh cup holder, and its head cushion adds to your relaxation while you sip on your favorite beverages. Its side pockets can store your book, magazine, tablets, or some snacks. Finally, it weighs around 7.75 pounds, having a collapsible design and easily folds up into a carry bag so that you can easily transport and store it. With a comfortable seat, easy setup, and cooler pouch, this Coleman portable camping quad chair stands out from all the other camping chairs and will let you enjoy your favorite cold beverages while you enjoy your camping. Featuring a bigger seat area for maximum comfort, the ALPS Mountaineering King Kong is a solid, durable, and foldable chair that makes camp lounging a simple affair. This camping chair has a sturdy steel frame with a powder-coated exterior that you can count on to last a lifetime. You can set up and disassemble this chair in just a few seconds, which is why it is ideal for camping. Its 600D polyester fabric and well-padded seat provide maximum stability and comfort for you. It has a 38-inch back height and a padded backrest, and therefore, long lounge sessions stay more comfortable for an extended period. It also has spacious, adjustable, and easy-to-reach armrests that can be adjusted according to your need. It's got 2 large-sized storage pockets that can easily hold an average-sized magazine. It has 2 mesh cup holders that work fine for beverage cans and skinny bottles. With its 800 pounds of weight support, this massive single-person camping chair weighs at around 13 pounds. It comes with a storage bag with 2 shoulder straps, and therefore you can carry this collapsed chair like a backpack. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong chair is a ruggedly built and simple to use foldable camp chair with a large seat area that promises and provides you with maximum comfort. Providing you with a superior seating experience compared to any other folding camping chair in the market, the Kijaro dual locking camping chair is the #1 pick on our list. This camping chair features a sturdy steel frame that can effortlessly support up to 300 pounds of weight. Besides, it uses diamond ripstop polyester as its fabric with a padded seat and headrest that ensures maximum comfort. It is unique for its dual lock technology that makes sure this chair locks in the open position for maximum seat and back support. With just one push of a button, you can unlock this chair quickly and easily. It has 2 cup holders so that you can enjoy your drinks while lounging. You can also put your small items inside of its zip and mesh pockets, which is amazing for organization. Weighing at around 9.5 pounds, this camping chair has carry straps attached to it so that you can transport it with you whether you're tailgating, camping, or watching your favorite sports. When you have the Kijaro dual lock chair, you have a lockable and easy to use seat delivering maximum comfort and back support. All in all, this is just perfect for all of your outdoor adventures. So that was all about the 5 best camping chairs for outdoors just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.